Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome here. It's girl Mona, and today's video is officially the first day of my vlogmas. I wanted to start this vlogmas like on the 1st of December, but it felt or it seemed impossible because I had so much to do. Please ignore the fact that I have my cornrows on. I've had it for 3 weeks now, and I'll take it down this week. Let's address the elephant in the room, and that is my hair. It looks very tattered and not in place, but that's okay because I'll take down this braid or this weave this week. The whole point of the vlogmas is just to show you guys highlights of what I'll be doing every day from now till Christmas. It's going to be an interesting one, challenging one for me because I have so much on my plate right now. I have so much on my plate right now, and I will try to take you guys with me every single day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I think you should subscribe because I'll be sharing lots of interesting stuff like my house decor, plans. My birthday is coming up as well. I also opportunity to be selected as one of their participants, and the workshop has been so far interesting. I also intend to share some few tips here, so you should subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. I'll be sharing just what I've learned from the YouTube Made for You program. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So today, crazy thing is I went to the market. I just came back. So there's this market I go to buy veggies, right? I went there this morning. It's currently okay. I'm filming my phone. This vlog, the only way I can survive vlogging every day is by using my phone to film, and that's what I'm doing. I'm filming with my phone. I can't really show you guys, but the time should be around 10. So this is my son's Christmas party, which is end of the year party as well in school, and I'll also be bulk cooking today as well. The word bulk cooking is cooking in bulk, and I'll be doing that today. Cooking in bulk and storing in a refrigerator. I do that. That's how I run my home. I cook in bulk and keep in the fridge. So I'll be doing that in the freezer. Sorry. So I'll be doing that today. I've gone to the market. My market is always very crazy, but I did groceries already. I think sometime last week. So this time I'm just strictly on cooking. And I also had gotten some tomatoes and pepper and onion for my 12. So the only thing, if you're in Lagos, you know my 12 here. So the only thing I'm buying today is majorly things for soup, right? Like meat, beef, all those things. I'll be officially back home. I had a very hectic day today. Today was really stressful. Like things were so expensive. If you're living in Nigeria, in Lagos, you know how expensive things are now. They are really expensive. They are really expensive. But anyways, I'm using this mic so you get the best quality and hear me clearly. And I'm back from the market. I'll show you guys everything I got. At least the most important things. Like I said, the highlights of my day. So I'll show you what I got, and I'll be making like I'll still have this much, makeup still remained on my face. But family Christmas shoot yet. So there's so many content that is coming in, which is why you need to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. And I think with that, we're going to call it a wrap. We're going to call it a day. See you guys tomorrow. For now, peace.